Hello friends, welcome to another Resolve tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable fingerprint authentication on your Redmi Android phone. Let's move on to the tutorial video now. Enabling fingerprint on your smartphone is very simple. Swipe down from the top of the phone and go to the Settings section. If you can't find the Settings section this way, type Settings in the Search tab, or you can find it in the Settings part of the application screen. Yes, as the first step, we click on the Password and Security section in the Settings screen. As the second step, we click on the Fingerprint Unlock in the Password and Security section. As the third step, when we click on the Add Fingerprint in the Fingerprint Unlock section, we scan the finger we want to register to the fingerprint reader on the back of the phone until the scanning is complete. When the process is finished, we should see the Added Successfully screen. Once the process is completed, you can mark the options for which tasks you want to use the fingerprint. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my Resolve channel for more informative and instructional videos. Thank you very much for watching.